Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah wa ala alihi wa sahabihi wa barika wa sallim. Today is 5th of September 2014 and it is known to all Indians today is the birthday of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. And the whole Indians, we celebrated and celebrate his birthday, means on 5th September as a Teacher's Day. Very good news. I thanks to the Indians for celebrating Teachers' Day on 5th September on the birthday of second President of India, Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Today I am ready and I am willing to express an history why we should celebrate Teachers' Day on the 5th day of September, that is the birthday of our second President of India, Dr. सर्वपल्ली राधाकृष्ण। क्यों हम लोग यही 5 सितंबर में आवर हमारा सेकेंड जो प्रेसिडेंट है, राष्ट्रपति है, उनका जन्मदिन में क्यों हम लोग टीचर्स डे, शिक्षक दिवस हम लोग पालित करते हैं? क्यों करते हो? वाई डू यू सेलिब्रेट टीचर्स डे on 5th September, the birthday of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan? Why not on others' birthday like Rabindranath Tagore's birthday, Kazi Nazrul's birthday, and so many Nobel persons are there? As per I know, and as per history says, when Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan sir elected as first VP, Vice President of India, and after that he also elected as the first President of India. After that, naturally he got so many and numbers of invitations from different institutes, from different organizations, like others president, others honorable persons of Indians and universe. So it also happens to him. Once Dr. Radhakrishnan, Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, invited into a school with the teachers and students that they are willing to celebrate his birthday in a grand manner, in a giant manner. And the teachers and the students are willing to express their gratitude to the second President of India on his birthday, that is 5th September. Naturally, Honorable President reached the school and he also get honors, received honors from different students, teachers and the guests on his birthday. And at the end, when Dr. President Sir Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan at the end of the sessions got a chance to say something on mic, and he expressed that I'd like to thanks to all the students, dearest students, and the honorable teachers and the committees of the school committees, those who arrange this beautiful ceremonial program to celebrate my birthday in a drastic manner, in a well manner. So he thanks to all. And at the end of the speech session, he delivered a nations to the nations of our India that birthday that we celebrate should not in a single day only. Like the sun and like the moon, we have and we birth and we have a death every day. We born and die every day. When we go to sleep after the day over and on the bed when our eyes closed, there is no chance to know something, to know anything what happened out of mind. तो हम लोग जब नींद में सो जाते तो हमारा मृत्यु हो जाता है, हम लोग दुनिया से चला जाता है। फिर जब सुबह हम लोग उठते हैं, हम लोगों का जन्मदिन होता है। डेली हम लोगों का मृत्यु दिन होता है, डेली हम लोगों का जन्मदिन होता है। আমাদের প্রতিদিন জন্ম হয় আর প্রতিদিন মৃত্যু হয়। ডক্টর রাধাকৃষ্ণ remembered and expressed the quote of Holy Quran that Allah আমাদেরকে প্রতিদিন মৃত্যু দেন, আবার প্রতিদিন জন্ম দেন। এবং আমাদেরকে মোহাম্মদ সাল্লাল্লাহু আলাইহি ওয়াসাল্লাম শিখিয়েছেন, যখন ঘুমাতে যাবে আল্লাহর কাছে ইউ শুড প্রেয়ার টু আল্লাহ দ্যাট আমার জীবনের আজকে শেষ ঘুম হতে পারে, কাল সকালে আমার হয়তো আর ঘুম না ভাঙতে পারে। আমার এই মৃত্যু, তুমি আমার এই মৃত্যুকে, আমার ঘুমকে তুমি হেফাজত করো। আবার সকালে যখন আমাদের নতুন জন্ম হয়, আমরা বলি আলহামদুলিল্লাহ, হে রব, হে আমার স্রষ্টা, আমাকে আবার নতুন জীবন দেওয়ার জন্য। তো ডক্টর সর্বপল্লী রাধাকৃষ্ণ এই লেসনটা দিয়ে বলেছিলেন, আমাদের প্রতিদিন উই বর্ন অ্যান্ড ডাই এভরি ডে, সো উই শুড নট সেলিব্রেট বার্থডে অন সিঙ্গল ডে। It's a cost effective, it's a loss of time. Rather, I'd like to share an information to my nation that if you would like to do that organization's ceremonial program on 5th September, you should celebrate Teachers' Day. I'd like to dedicate my birthday for the teachers and the students. Here the respected teachers should beloved their students, and my dearest students should respect their teacher in great manner for the whole year, not for the single day. But on my birthday, you should not celebrate, you should not garland it on my photograph. This is a stupid way. This is the most stupid way when a person goes die and you are garlanding on his photograph. What is the value of it? This is the wastage of money. This is the ignorancy. This is the stupid. So we should beware of it. And we should remember that the Teachers' Day should be for the teachers. The teachers should beloved their students, and the students should respect their teachers too for whole the years. And he, Dr. Sarvapula Radhakrishna, added so many lines for the teachers as well as students. And here, if you would like to say the teachers, who is the best teachers for the universe, as per the Holy Quran, chapter number 34, the name of the chapter is Surah Saba, and the number of the verse is, the number of ayat is 28. Allah said in the Holy Quran, Oma arsalnaka illa kaffatan lin